My dear children, today we will read a poem titled Save Mother Earth under lesson 4 from our textbook. So the name of the poem is Save Mother Earth यानी धरती माता को बचाओ. So now let us read through the poem and try to understand what is the poem all about. So here we go. The fields where I played as a child, when the river seemed so carefree and wild, the water was clear and pure. I miss those times when we were so sure. Now the field is dirty and full of junk. The water is polluted, the grass has shrunk. What shall we do? To whom do we pray? It is all in our hands, I say. Clean up your act. Stop polluting. Help Mother Earth. Save it from dying. Written by Gunjan Matreja. You see the meaning of some new words are given here. Carefree means free from problems. Pure means free from dust and dirt. Junk means waste. Polluted is to make dirty. Shrunk means became smaller in size. It is the past tense of shrink. Now let us try to understand the poem. The fields where I played as a child, when the rivers seemed so carefree and wild, the water was clear and pure. I miss those times when we were so sure. इस पोएम का पोएट गुंजन मात्रेजा कहती है कि आज मुझे अपना बचपन बहुत याद आ रही है. वो दिन और आज का दिन में बहुत अंतर आ गया है. पहले बचपन में जिन खेत खलियानों में जिस जगह मैं खेला करती थी एक बच्ची के रूप में, उस समय नदियाँ और नदियों का पानी बिल्कुल साफ़ होता था. कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती थी. पर्यावरण और प्रकृति यानी नेचर के साथ कोई हस्तक्षेप या इंटरफेरेंस नहीं होता था. सब कुछ पूरी तरह शुद्ध होता था. कोई मिलावट नहीं होती थी और हम भी बेफिक्र होकर खेत खलियानों में, नदियों में खेला करते थे कि हमें कुछ नहीं होगा. इसलिए पोएट को, गुंजन मात्रेजा को अपना बचपन बहुत याद आ रही है. Now the field is dirty and full of junk. The water is polluted, the grass has shrunk. लेकिन आज परिस्थिति यानी सिचुएशन बदल गई है. सब जगह गंदगी फैल गई है. जिन जगह पर मैं खेला करती थी वहाँ अब कूड़ों का ढेर जमा हो गया है. नदियों का पानी प्रदूषित हो गया है. वनस्पति यानी पौधे, घास सब मर रहे हैं और गायब हो रहे हैं. What shall we do? To whom do we pray? It is all in our hands, I say. Clean up your act. Stop polluting. Help Mother Earth. Save it from dying. तो ऐसे में हमें क्या करना चाहिए? किसके पास जाना चाहिए धरती माता को साफ रखने के लिए? तो पोएट गुंजन मात्रेजा कहती है कि हमें कुछ करना नहीं है. हमें किसी के पास जाकर मदद मांगने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो करना है हमें खुद करना है. हमें गंदगी फैलाना बंद करना होगा. वातावरण और पर्यावरण को, एनवायरनमेंट को प्रदूषित करना, पोल्यूशन फैलाना बंद करना होगा. तभी हम अपनी धरती माता को विनाश से, खत्म होने से, मरने से बचा सकते हैं. So this was the message sent out by Gunjan Matreja, the poet of this poem. So let us now look at the exercises on the next page. You see, what does it say? You see, comprehension means how much we have understood the poem. You see, A, tick right the things we should do and cross the things we should not do. 1, 2, 3, 4, there are pictures giving some information. So by looking at the picture, you have to find out what are the things which we should do and those we should not do. So things which we should do, we will tick right, and those which should not do, we will cross it. You see, first one is a picture where the seashore, you can see the seashore, it is very dirty. You see, all the waste materials are dumped along the seashore. So this we should not do, therefore we will cross it like this. We should water the plants, water the flowers. This is a good thing, we will tick it right. Again, we should clean the environment. We should keep the environment clean. So this is also thing we should do. Then next is we should always throw the waste materials in the bin. So this is also right. Then next, enjoy the poem. Words that end with same sound are called rhyming words. So rhyming words, you must be knowing. When you are in third standard, you should know what is a rhyming word. So rhyming words are words which have the same sound. You see, write words from the poem that end with the same sounds as these words. So some words are given here. So you have to find rhyming words for these words from the poem. You see, child. For child, what is there? You see, there is a word which can say that is wild. Then sure, what is that? For sure, there is a word pure. For junk, what is there? Shrunk. Such words they are called rhyming words. Say, you see, for say, what is the word there? Pray, you see, pray. P-R-A-Y, pray. Polluting, for polluting, is there any rhyming word? Polluting, you see, dying, like this. So such words which have the same sound, they are called rhyming words.